What is this? What is this? It's mail time. It's mail time. Just putting some washer fluid in my Kia. Hear it dripping in the background. I got 2 packages today from some lovely people. I have, this is interesting, monthlybatteries.com. 2 sloppy mechanics. Let's bust this open. I have been prepping to do a Colorado overview video for you, ladies and gentlemen, and then I'm going to compile the Q&A stuff and answer everything I can in a single video. Matt, I started this company recently. Hook me up with a plug, brother. Monthlybatteries.com. Anyway, I love your channel. You can look me up on Instagram at Johnny BS Garage. You can always use batteries. Cheers, John. He just sent me batteries? And this tiny, look at this tiny note. Monthly batteries? What do you like, punch in the amount of usage? Oh boy, it's just AA, AAA, 9 volt. I certainly will use these for temperature guns and multimeters and all sorts of creations. Thank you. Name brand batteries delivered to your home every month at a discounted price. Thank you, sir. Now I got this. Sloppy Mechanics. Postage paid from Australia. Australia. Peel strip? Nope. Does you ever, you know, when you grab the peel strip and it just blows off and doesn't peel shit? Oh. It is a book. It is the Mighty Car Mods book. Awesome. It looks like it has survived. Who got me this? I think someone told me they were going to do it. I didn't know if I believed them or not. It does not say who. No room for a note, obviously. The Mighty Car Mods, Cars of Mighty Car Mods book. Wow, this is cool as hell. Look at that. I'm going to have to read through this whole thing. This is cool. They posted about this, and I was actually really interested in this. It has every car they've ever done. Man, there's a lot of pages in here. Holy shit. This is pretty incredible. Look at this. It even has the trunk bike. Supercharged MX-5. Taylor Drift. Too Sexy. Double Unicorn. Yeah, a lot of it. Really cool. It even has the cost associated with all of the vehicles. 34,000 AUD. 36,000. Wow. This is awesome, dude. I forget who it was. I know someone in Sloppy or somewhere, or someone commented on my video on YouTube or something, and they were like, I'm sending you a Mighty Car Mods book, or did you get one, or did you buy one, or something, and he fucking sent me one. This is amazing. Thank you very much, dude. That is awesome. And that concludes our mail time for today.